Not only traveling to learn, but to act. My colleagues and I will be organizing an educational summer camp for Syrian refugee children. I want to explore this conflict and show everyone how they can engage to make a difference. Actually, we'll do this for a second. When we went first time to Syria, actually, I didn't think we were going to do any of the kids' stuff. We were doing conflict resolution work and working with different communities and bringing Sunnis and Alawites and the different groups and trying to do negotiations and trainings and so on. And when we got there, and so the situation where kids didn't have books to study from, there were no schools, there were no activities, we ended up shifting and doing a lot of these camps. And this is a video that we did just as we were planning to start doing the camp. And this is a video we did to try to get a lot of volunteers. And fortunately, so far, we've never had lack of volunteers due to it.